How to fix Facebook's 6-digit code not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can fix Facebook's 6-digit verification code not working. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you're trying to relog into your account. Maybe you're trying to tune on two-factor authentication, or maybe you're trying to verify the new login session. For that, you have to verify the code that is sent to your number. But sometimes due to the bugs on Facebook and due to so many servers and lag issues, Facebook will not be able to reach your mobile number and ultimately will not be able to send you a code, and as a result you will also not be able to do the things that you were trying to do, such as logging into your account from a different location, or maybe trying to turn on two-factor authentication, or just trying to reset your password or anything else. So in this video I will show you a couple of ways on how you can fix if the 6-digit verification code is not being sent. The very first thing you want to check is whether or not your network connection is stable, which means that the tower, I'm not talking about your Wi-Fi connection but about your cellular tower. So just make sure you're on a place where your cellular tower is actually working just fine, and that you're receiving and being able to send and receive calls on your SIM card as well. And then after that, what you can also try to do is make sure that you have not turned on do not disturb mode. What is do not disturb? Do not disturb mode is actually a function in each and every smartphone device that is going to simply block out all of the notifications that you receive on your phone. So in this case, I'm actually currently recording this video. That is why the DND mode is actually turned on over here. But if it's turned on in your case, you want to make sure to turn it off. And if you do not find it in the control panel settings, you can try to also go ahead and find it within the settings application, since this is a device specific feature. And then after that, do not try to go ahead and constantly resend the code from that same page again and again. All you have to do is try to close the Facebook app, reopen the Facebook app, and then see if that works this time. So in my case as well, when I don't receive a code from a specific app, I don't try to tap on the resend code button, because it is again going to not work. Instead, I go ahead and exit out of the app, and then I reopen the app again. And then what you want to do is long press on the Facebook app, tap on the I button, go to the option called storage, clear cache, clear data. Now try to do the things that you were trying to do earlier, and this time most likely it is going to work. Hopefully one of these solutions may have helped solve your problem, and if it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.